Hey guys, welcome to Laliland and welcome to me avoiding packing. This is like my packing nightmare right now. Help me, yay.
Tonight we're laughing, tonight we're loving, tonight we sparkle, tonight we dance alone, and together we go high.
Hey guys, it is nighttime. We're getting ready to go on our trip in a few days. Well, oh gosh, are we leaving in like 36 hours? I don't know when you guys will see this. But I do want to show you some of the essentials that I want to bring with us on this trip, because I have a little bit of a different lifestyle with being keto and bringing snacks. One snack that I'm bringing, since I can't make my own for this trip, the Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs. They're pretty good. I'm not taking these out because I already packed these. The Justin's Almond Butter. You've all seen these in the store. They had a sale on these at the supermarket, so I decided to grab these. I got Mikey's Smokehouse Almonds that he loves. I have my whole box of Stoka bars. I've done a review on them before. I'm obsessed. You love Stoka bars, babe? Oh yeah. He said, oh yeah. And then I just picked up today some sugar-free Hershey bars, the Special Dark. These do have maltitol. These might hurt our tummies a little, but if we need like a bite of chocolate, I mean, they're so tiny and there's only a few in here. We need them sometimes. You know, we can always pick up things along the way. So like there's a Walgreens right down the street from where we're staying in Disneyland and stuff. So that'll be fine. This ShopRite bag is going to go into my caboodles that I bought today at Walmart. Somehow, some way. You guys have seen me talk about it before, but it's my #1 thing I need to take on this trip besides eyelashes. I'm sorry, this lip color is really strong and I'm not used to it. I'm in the bathroom right now because that's the only mirror I really have to show you the new lip color that I bought today. It's by Hard Candy. I was allergic to their eye product one time, so I hope this is alright. Glitterazzi Press and Play Glitter Reveal Lipstick. So apparently you put the lipstick on, and that's lipstick, and then you go, and you'll have glitter. So I'm gonna put it on normal first. I like the little thing it comes in. Ooh, it's pretty. Ooh. Wait, this is the color, which you're totally not gonna be able to focus, but that's okay. Watching the screen, everybody, I'm sorry, but I wanna make sure it goes on right. Is it glittery? Okay, so you guys probably, this was a fail because I don't think they can see it.
I can't even see it. I'm behind the camera.
Glitterazzi fail? Should I have gotten the purple one?
Maybe I have to warm up.
Let's see. It's all over. I like the color. Do you like the color? I don't know. I just look really pale tonight. So sorry if it's scaring you in the video. I can't really get it off. It won't come off. So I'm kind of stuck with it for now. My Keto-Balance. By the way, I'm going to put a link to this and the other Pure Thrive products in the description in case you are keto, you want something to keep you going, make you feel good. I love this stuff. Some people are like, oh, it's mostly MCT oil. Yeah, well, I'm either going to spend the money on MCT oil or I'm going to get something chocolatey and delicious and have this instead. You can read for yourself about it on the website. I'll put the link down below. I do a tablespoon of this every morning and then I put a little extra, I don't know if you're supposed to, but I put a little extra in my iced coffee. Keeps things active and regular. Then, also from Pure Thrive, I use the Radiant C, the vitamin C. I shoot this under my tongue and this has been keeping me very, knock on wood somebody, keeping me feeling good. I need vitamin C. I have autoimmune deficiencies, so gotta do what I gotta do. Now here it's wrapped up, but I have my, it's glass. The vitamin B12, my vitamin D, and the K2. Very important to have this in your diet. We're not getting sun like we normally would, like in the spring and summer. This will help with your seasonal, what is it called? When the winter makes you sad? Somebody comment below and tell me what that's called because I'm drawing a blank and I'm too lazy to Google. Those supplements are important to me. I need to have those with me, so I go right to Pure Thrive and make sure I get those in my system. My Dove soap, I bring this to the hotels. I have sensitive skin, so I'm always using Dove. Extra eyelash glue. It's Disneyland. After Space Mountain, I could lose an eyelash. So, yeah, I'm bringing my extra glue. Melatonin to help me sleep, because when I'm on vacation, I'm very anxious for the next morning. I know I have to get up early so we can hit the park again or head out to Vegas. So whatever we're gonna do, I need my melatonin to help me sleep at night. Which actually, I have to go to bed in like an hour, so I usually take it about an hour before bedtime. Do you take melatonin? Do you like it? I'm gonna chew on that. I feel like my whole suitcase is gonna be supplements. Oil of oregano I take for sinus pressure. It's an all-natural thing to take. Helps release the pressure for me. Acid reflux stuff. Acid reducer. Just to add to the list, I have esophageal trauma. Barrett's esophagus, if you've heard of that. Who's calling me? First of all, you call him and tell him because he's in the other room. You're on Laliland right now with me filming in the other room, so say hi.
I'm on, what is Facebook, not Facebook.
YouTube.
What's it called?
YouTube.
YouTube. I was on YouTube and I watched this one racing video.
Oh my God,
I
Dad.
have no idea how to get out of that and get back to like Laliland.
Call Mikey, he'll help you with your troubles. You just arrow back.
Oh.
You can.
I tried that. I don't think it worked like that. Alright, I'll try.
Call Mikey.
Yeah, stop bothering me.
Babe, you're getting a call from Daddy. Back to action here. I ordered a new one, so I have a pocket size, my little Curious by Britney Spears. Bam! My 105. These are my eyelashes that I love so much. Tarte Rainforest of the Sea misting spray to keep my makeup in place. It's not going to be hot and humid in LA or Anaheim or Vegas or Route 66 in the desert. It's going to be like 30 degrees. So my makeup probably won't sweat off me, but just in case. I am going to dance at the Backstreet show, so nude toothbrushes, extra hand sanitizer. Some of my makeup products ready to go. Some are not because I have to wear them to jump on the plane. I wear it Bye Bye Under Eye. I still kind of want to wait till I get there to buy these. My shampoo and conditioner because it's kind of heavy. So to pack it in my suitcase, it's going to weigh more. I have my sleep mask that my sister got me. I would wear it on the plane, but you know, again, eyelash issues. I think these are discontinued and I'm trying not to believe it, but it hasn't been in the stores, and on eBay they're selling it for a really, really, really high price. And I've used this for years. It's the only eyeliner I love. Physicians Formula Ultra Fine, my ultra black eye pencil. But if you do know something similar that I can get, please inform me because my heart's a little broken here. I love how I'm not even showing you the clothes I'm packing. I'm just like, meh, some wrinkle release. These are the things that I find like the hardest things to think of to pack. I got my stevia packets. So if we have like unsweetened iced tea or coffee or something. Or strawberries. Can sprinkle it on a few strawberries. It's like the only fruit I can have. Listerine. Hand cream. So now my job is to take all of that stuff that I just threw on the floor out of the ShopRite bag and move it to my caboodle. This is really me just avoiding in every aspect packing and looking at outfits that I might be wearing. I think we're gonna do laundry like a little more than halfway through the week. So by the 6th day in the morning, we have a little bit of free time. I think we're gonna hit up a laundromat. Yeah, that's the plan because we might have to rewear some stuff like jeans and bras. And well, I would need to wear the bra. I'm not going to show you the clothing that I'm packing because I don't know what the heck that's going to be, and that could be very last minute. I just really truly wanted to show you the snacks that we're taking, the supplements that I bring with me aside from, you know, like my blood pressure pills and whatnot. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the videos that we're putting up while we may or may not be away. Like, I don't know when you're going to see this, but I will have it up just to say hi. Stop fighting. This is all day, every day. They're brother and sister, not related, but you know, in our heads. They're exhausting. Thank you for sitting with me tonight and helping me avoid packing, I'm gonna open my caboodle now. Love you guys. Thank you for watching Laliland. Have a good night. See you when we get back.